How to send videos from camera roll as snaps on Snapchat. So it is very easy and simple. What you have to do first of all is open Snapchat. And once you open Snapchat, what you have to do is basically press on this magnifying icon right over here. So it's basically a filter. You're just gonna press on it and it will show you all the filters that you have, but you gotta specifically search for photo. So if it's not showing up for you, just type in photo and you'll be able to see it. So you just gotta press on photo, and here, as you can see, this is the video. So what I'm gonna do is just press record. Here, as you can see, it's just gonna record the video, and you gotta make sure that you sit in a empty space and nothing is showing right over there. And once you do this, just mute the audio, and here, as you can see, mine's actually kind of cutting because I have the same background as the video. But yeah, if you just put it in a blank space and then send the video, so I'm just gonna send the snap to myself and just to show you in case. So yeah, let me just find my account real quick. There we go. So if I send it to myself, here, as you can see, this is the snap that I sent to myself, and it says media upload as I use the photo filter. So yeah, that's actually it on how you can send videos from camera roll as snaps on Snapchat. So I hope this video helped you all. Please consider subscribing and leave a like. Yeah, that's it. Goodbye.